Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I want to share with you this extension called Dark Mode. Dark Mode, and so this is for Facebook and in general, so for Mozilla Firefox. So I use it mostly on Facebook because I work on Facebook, I work on fan pages, on groups, stuff like that. So we're going to find this as dark mode. So the only thing we have to do is just activate this extension. So to install this extension, and we're going to get this button here in the toolbar. So this kind of toggle. So we have just to turn this on, so like this, and we're going to get this look. So for me it's better because I think it's important taking care of the eyes. It is very important, and when I am working on groups and fan pages, I think it's better. So yeah, that's why I thought that it was important sharing with you this extension. That is part of my favorite things. So this is part of my favorite extensions and tricks and little tiny application that is part of my bundle. Yes, just let me know in the comments what you think for this video. I think that's everything for today. Please let me know in the comments what you think, if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.